That shit's good. That shit's good as fuck.
Smells pretty tasty.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it does. You want one?
If you're gonna make it.
Oh no, that can't happen.
I don't know what you put on it that made it smell so good.
Yeah. Yeah, alright, I'll eat some chips.
I was trying to get the bag. I was gonna do a plug for Sun Chips. But I can't read chips properly.
Sun Chips, Harvest Cheddar. Get those motherfuckers. I can't even say that. I probably could these days.
I've done all that. Just right down to dropping the chip.
Straight up. I'm going ham. Yeah, that was cheesy. The fuck are we doing?
I don't know, man. We're making a documentary about sandwiches and Sun Chips. Should have recorded the making of the sandwich.
I don't know that number. Do you know that number?
What's the number?